Alright guys, I had a quick update. I had recorded some stuff over the weekend and I just didn't like the way it turned out for a couple of reasons. One was I was using my Pixel phone that makes noise on the case or whatever, and I'm using another phone now to record that doesn't make the noise. And also I took the car out to test the new front and rear shocks, and my GoPro mount, as you noticed in my last couple of videos, it's making a rattling noise. So that I figured that out. It was one little loose. One of the joints on the flexible mount was loose, so it was rattling. But anyway, but I didn't like that footage. So needless to say, we did take the car around the block to test the shocks, and everything's working good. I did go ahead and I did the in-garage toe alignment, where you use your jack stands and the rope and a string between them. So I got that straight, and then I also, you guys that watch my channel, you guys always know my steering wheel has been off by about 1/8 of a turn, and that was because the bump steer kit was bottoming out on the threads of the tie rod end, not giving me enough adjustment to bring the wheel in. So I trimmed off 1 inch on this tie rod end, so I've got plenty of adjustment now on these bump steer kits. Set the toe, the steering wheel is straight. Took the car around the block, and it was making a thunking noise, and it turned out basically the strut was a little bit, the nut on the top of the strut was a little bit loose, so it was banging around on the caster camber plate. So fixed that, took it around the block again, and everything was good. So other than that, we are planning on going to Lodi. They have January 1st streetcar drags, and my car does qualify. But it's just an arm drop race, so I went ahead and got myself a Dragy. And I've been testing it in my daily driver, and it's actually working pretty good. And the other thing I got, so with the Pertronics, with the multi-spark ignition box, they recommend you have their coil for multi-spark. A single spark coil can overheat. So anyway, I've got that. I'm not sure if I want to put that on yet, but I kind of don't want to make any more changes this time out. So we'll just leave this now that we know that two-step is working fine. And then after January 1st, looks like down in Kingdon Raceway, which is about 3 hours from here, but basically the next opportunity to race will be in February. So that'll give me from January 1st to the middle of February 6 weeks to get the bell housing in the clutch installed and drive it around a little bit and break it in. So that's kind of the plan, is to get past the first of the year and then install these guys in January and break in the clutch properly. So other than that, the only other thing I have to install somewhere down the line is the C-clip eliminators. So again, that if I'm going to do that, I may go ahead and do axles and a spool, maybe even change the rear gear. So I don't want to commit to that until I know exactly what I want to do. But we will get the bell housing and the clutch installed, and we'll take the Dragy with us. So guys, that's the update. QA1 front double adjustable coilovers are installed. The Viking double adjustable rear shocks are installed, and I think that's all we're going to do before we go to the New Year's streetcar drags down in Lodi. All right, everybody. Hope everybody has a great Christmas, spending time with your family, and we will talk to you soon. Thank you.